Okay, so I got Ivy and George down on the beach this morning. Ivy's actually extremely terrified about this water business. It's freaking her out. But George saw some of it. George saw it worse yesterday. So I think he's like, oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Whereas she's still doing the whole, get me away from it.